how I met Dhruba was because I actually came to Chitwan to have a vacation, but then I found out about the amazing work that he was doing up here with the Chipang community in the hills, how it helps the most vulnerable, and I was really interested in learning more about what he did. So he took me up here and we went to go visit the first school, Sirai Chuli, and that supported about 100 students, and they were small young children from ECD all the way up to 4th grade. We realized that the school was damaged due to the earthquake and it hadn't been repaired yet. So the kids were studying in a space that was partly damaged and ready to collapse. We also realized that there was no drinking water on site and the restrooms weren't usable. So after talking to Dhruba, I realized that we could form a really great partnership, since Sapana Village Social Impact also serves to alleviate poverty in Nepal. And how Building Education could support is to help rebuild this school for the children so that they have a safe place to study. That was our first project together, and it has been a huge success. Sapana Village Social Impact is an amazing partner. I know that we both have very high standards of operating, and we've been able to create a really great partnership of accountability, responsibility, sustainability, and scaling impact together. So after that school was a success, Dhruba then showed me another school that needed support. And what I found out was that a lot of the schools that graduated from Sirai Chuli then went on to this school, Bharang, that we have on site here. And this school, personally, this school has 226 students. And again, there was a damaged facility and there weren't enough classrooms. And after Dhruba and I had a really great project together, I knew that we could partner also for this and continue to do the great work that we're doing in poverty alleviation together. So we did a 3-classroom rebuild here in maintaining the structure, in addition to bringing on a playground on site. And it's been a wonderful experience. Dhruba and his team on the field are highly experienced. They're experts at what they do. We love working with them. They're extremely knowledgeable. They're very connected with the communities. And I think one of the best things about working with Sapana Village Social Impact is, one, they have great accountability, great responsibility. We know that they're going to deliver the work that we would like them to deliver. They have great integrity in their work, and their boys in the field know the most and really focus on ensuring that there's impact that is scalable and that it's sustainable and that the people are empowered to then make a change in their own lives rather than it be enablement and just giving. Thank you.
Namaste, I'm Dhruba Giri. I'm the founder of Sapana Village Social Impact. I just want to tell a little bit about our project in Kaule here. Before we coming here to maintain this school, we already built one school and Sirai Chuli school. And after that, Building Education US and SVSI, Sapana Social Impact, together we found this another one is here to maintaining this school. On our teamwork, we are maintaining this school, not only for the maintaining, we have also playing equipment and also furniture and all the children what they need for the school we are supporting here. And thank you so much for the Building Education US who is a partner with us to support and this needed people here.